Welcome all to the video lectures of signals and systems. In this video, we are going to check complex exponential signal is energy signal or power signal and what is its value. So let's start. Given signal x of n is equals to 4 e raised to j 3n. Given signal is complex exponential signal. Let's check energy of this discrete time signal. Energy of discrete time signal is given by energy E is equals to summation minus infinity to the plus infinity mod x of n square. If we put the value of x of n, it will be mod 4 e raised to j 3n square. If we take the square of mod term, it will be summation minus infinity to the plus infinity. Square of 4 is 16 mod e raised to j 3n. Its square. Now we know that mod of any complex exponential signal is always unity, that is 1. Hence, energy E is equals to summation minus infinity to the plus infinity 16 summation of 16 over the limits of minus infinity to the plus infinity will be infinity. Hence, energy of a signal is infinity. As energy is infinity, complex exponential signals are not energy signals. So let's find out what is the power of complex exponential signal. The power P of discrete time signal is given by power P is equals to limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation minus n to the plus n mod x of n square. If we put the value of x of n, we will get limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation minus n to the plus n mod 4 e raised to j 3n its square. If we take the square of 4, we will get four square is 16 mod e raised to j 3n and its square. Again, mod of complex exponential term is 1. If you substitute that value, the equation of power will become mod term will be 1. Now again 16 is constant over the summation. We can take it outside. So our summation term will be minus n to the plus n. Remaining term is 1. Power P is 16. Limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation minus n to the plus n 1. Here we can apply standard identity for the summation term. We know that summation over the limits n1 to the n2 of 1 is equals to n2 minus n1 plus 1. Therefore, power P is equals to 16 limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1 n minus minus will become plus n and 1. Our bracket term will become 2n plus 1, which will get cancelled with the denominator term. As n is vanished, we can remove the limits. So power P is equals to 16 watt. Therefore, complex exponential signals of form a into e raised to minus j alpha n or a e raised to minus j omega t are power signal and its power is a square. So this is all about power of a complex exponential signal. Thank you for watching the video.